Today we are going to do an activity which is very interesting. Ball bin tennis is the name of the activity. कभी-कभी हमारे पास resources नहीं होते हैं. So what do we do? Papers तो सबके पास होता है, right? So use one day का paper and the instruction is to make a bin and a ball. So you give one paper and one loose sheet. Okay? Loose sheet का ball बना सकते हैं और इसका bin बना सकते हैं. So you can ball bin. Okay, so ball bin tennis is the name of the activity. It's a group activity, so we require at least 8 people.
8 people in
ball bin what? Yes, line up here. So you can make a cylindrical bin out of it. Actually, it's number of groups, okay? So we may have 3 or 4 groups. Jaldi karo.
Any specific size?
2 minutes. 2 minutes is your time to make the ball in the bin.
Where's the stapler?
Stapler nahi hai.
Okay, come here, pair up.
Somebody has to.
And I'll tell you what you're supposed to be doing. Pair up from here. Now listen carefully to the activity. What you have to do is, you have to use one hand each. You have the ball. Where's the paper ball? This is the paper ball. Pair in twos. You're standing here. So we have other groups also, okay, on this side. So what you have to do is, you have to use this, and one of your hand will be the table tennis racket. Are you getting me? Yeah. And you play the racket, and then you can't hold it in your hand, okay? Like this.
Okay.
Now it has fallen here. So you go back to the starting point. Okay? And you have to go and put it in the bin. So if it falls in the bin, it is 1 score. So whichever group finishes first or the maximum number of scores is good. Now, here the question comes, suppose you have chosen 2 people, they're not able to reach, your time is going, it's up to you whether you want to change them. Ideally, if everybody does, perfect. Are you getting me? पीछे जाओ, थोड़ा पीछे जाओ. So 1 minute to strategize.
Yeah.
1 minute to strategize. सोचो. So observe, okay? You can't hold it in your hand. It has to be hit on.
And how much time do we have?
Time up.
How much time do we have? Now.
No, we will just see three points you make. No, not 3. How many? Or 4 groups, right?
We need to
Everybody has to complete. You have to drop it in that bin.
Are you playing a game?
You're ready with your strategy, right? Observers, please check. Think in your mind what could they have done. Okay? Just a minute. पीछे जाओ. वो line जो है टेबल के वहाँ पे, वहाँ से है. Okay? आसिफ बीच में मत आना.
Focus.
ट्रबल हो सकता है. On your mark, get set, go. Go back. Fast. Note the timings, please. Note the time. How much time they're taking.
How much time do we have?
Start. मजा देखो. Come on, quick.
अभी संभालो.
Now this activity, you tell me, what are the things that what skills have been seen here?
Coordination.
Strategy work. Mindfulness.
Concentration. We were more concerned about the outcome had we focused more on the inputs or the process.
Strategy. What else? You as observers, what could they have done differently? That is called excusities. The entire world is affected by that. My organization should have been better. It should have better infrastructure. नहीं होता है, जो है उसमें करो ना.
Correct.
Are you getting this? Yes. Patience, yes, you said.
I agree with you. We are looking at a prism that the size and increase is increasing your resource outgo. which if that's the perspective is fine, not all changes have an impact on resources. It is deployment and optimization of resources. Now that's something which
But suppose as a head of the company, if I say इतने में होता है, तुम्हारा टीम में हम दूसरा टीम लेके आएंगे।
एम्प्लॉइज बोलते हैं मैडम जो करते हैं उससे करवा लो।
हाँ, तो करवा लेंगे ना। You are not indispensable. You are not indispensable. An individual is important for an organization. But an organization is much bigger than an individual. Always remember that. तुम चले जाओगे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। तुमने कितने रिलेशनशिप बनाए वो मायने रखते। Now as observers, if you would have seen, crossing the line. But once I told where the line is, immediately they amongst themselves, the second time when Devang came in, he said, no, line is here. So when you give a policy or an instruction to your group, make it very clear, I will not allow it to broken. Automatically that will take it out. So this is how you make permanent rules. Okay. Another thing is, I had given an instruction, make a cylindrical bin. Was it a cylindrical bin?
Because of
It's a conical, so there is a possibility of it falling. And if it fell, you got -1. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So first of all, listening to instructions. Next, sometimes there is no time to even celebrate. Because when you got the first this, yay! Are Baba ball uta ke next wale ko do na. Are you getting me? Lost time there. So sometimes for small wins, we don't have time to celebrate. So keep the celebration for the last. बड़ा डील आने दो ना, 100 करोड़ का आने दो ना, साथ में 10,000 काम विन करेंगे, मतलब celebrate करेंगे. Are you getting me? Next, once a rule is established, it is followed. Now team here, when they did for the first time, that was the time when the audience celebrated them, encouraged them. हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. So this encouragement helped them. So this can be used in communication skills, team development, leadership, and I saw one person just standing out. That is called as the bystander effect. I think it was you. Was it you? It was kind of.
मोटिवेट किया कि
I think it was there, ना?
अच्छा है कर सकते हैं। आदमी का परफॉर्मेंस देखने के बाद तो हमको जरा भी
So this can also be used for group dynamics, different dynamics, how a person is doing, how people are encouraging others, how others are getting angry when not being counted in. So all those things, you can use it any way you want. If you want a variety of it, just blindfold the person who's going to go ahead. Like you can keep one person and tell them to throw it into the bin by giving instructions. बहुत सारे variations इसमें कर सकते हैं. And people will want, एक और बार करने दो ना, एक और बार करने दो. So I was training one company and there they were not succeeding in making even one go. You at least make one go. We did it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then जब वो हुआ ना तभी ही उन्होंने छोड़ा. मैडम आप जाओ, हम लोगों को करने दो. So if you drive your team to a level where you say, we have to get it, yaar. Come on, let's try one more time. Definitely they will. Hello everyone. I am very happy to be with you, all of you. And yes, I'm learning a lot. कभी आपने कैरम खेला है? Yes. So sometimes you hit a carom and it goes here and then here and then here and then finally into the goal.
Yes.
So I am one such person. I changed from being a teacher to a vice principal, to a counselor, to a psychotherapist, to a psychometrician, to an NLP practitioner, to a life coach, and to an author. So I am a person who's really blessed to have received a lot of love and respect. I was the ex-vice principal of Vivek Vidyalaya, and 15 years back, when one of my students came and saw me, Biji miss, आप अभी तक इधर ही हो? That time something hit and said, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. So what have I been doing for myself? As a child, perfect, best daughter. As a student, best student. As a employee, best employee. But what has Biji done for herself? So I said, whatever I do, how much ever innovations I do, I am still very creative and I want to go ahead and do something different. So 2009 में वापस से दोपहर को उठ के I made my logo, managementme. And I said, I want to teach students something beyond the textbook. I am not enough here as a teacher. And that's when my journey started, interacting with parents and children, knowing their problems, dealing with it, counseling, lot of success stories. And after, I think in 2009, one of my students started missing me in school because he went to 11th standard. Alok Verma, his name is, and he told me, ma'am, we are missing your PD lectures, personality development lectures, so why don't you start again? So I started there. He would bring the students, a parent gave the place, and today, with the blessings of all, I have reached 337 workshops. My dream is to inspire 1 billion plus people